Does anyone know anybody who has had or has an addiction? Almost 21 million Americans have at least one addiction, and yet only 10% receive treatment. I am choosing to talk about Demi Lovato and her drug addiction. It's something that many people, including myself, can relate to. Demi Lovato was on the Disney Channel. Many 90s babies would know her. She starred in Sunny with a Chance in 2009, and she was an actress and a singer. And two of her songs that she first came out with was in 2008, and that was Get Back and La La Land. When it all started, in 2010, it was known that Demi was battling with addiction. She used a mixture of uppers and downers, including alcohol, Xanax, cocaine, heroin, in between multiple times of her getting clean. In 2018, she overdosed. Not a lot of people come back to when you overdose. Now they have the drug called Narcan that is used mainly on heroin users. But she suffered from a number of strokes and a heart attack, and she has now been clean and concentrating on her recovery. She also has a documentary, a couple of them, that talks more in depth about her life and everything like that. The point of this is drugs don't discriminate. Anyone can become addicted to a substance, and it doesn't matter who you are. You could be poor, rich, famous. It can literally happen to anybody. It happened to me. A lot of people need rehab or programs to help them get to where they need to be. Not everyone has to. I was a very lucky one who did not need outside treatment. I learned to get myself away from the people that I was friends with. I moved away from the town that I lived in, and I just needed to build myself a better head on my shoulders. If you know or someone you know that has an addiction and needs help, just know you're not alone. It's better than being 6 feet under.